Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We post weekly tutorials on Shopify, automation tools, and strategies to help you scale your online business. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create a Zap in Zapier to integrate ClickFunnels with Shopify. This process will automate your orders, making your e-commerce operations smoother and more efficient. Before we begin, make sure you already have active ClickFunnels, Shopify, and Zapier accounts, since we'll be connecting all three during this tutorial. It's also a good idea to have your login credentials handy to avoid interruptions during setup. First, navigate to the Zapier homepage. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a versatile automation tool that connects your apps and services to eliminate manual tasks and save time. Think of Zapier as your virtual assistant that handles repetitive workflows, like sending order data from ClickFunnels straight into Shopify automatically. Now, let's create our first Zap. It's essential to understand that a Zap is a specific automation you set up between two or more apps. Locate and click the Create button on your dashboard. This will take you to the Zap creation interface, where you can start building your automation. Once you're there, click on Zaps, which will enable us to define and customize our unique integration between ClickFunnels and Shopify. At this stage, you'll need to identify the specific process you wish to automate. In the search bar, type ClickFunnels to Shopify. This search will refine your choices, showcasing options specifically tailored to bridging functionalities between these two platforms. Once you've searched, click on the ClickFunnels to Shopify option. This selection will initiate the setup of your automation process. Here, you'll be selecting New Purchase in ClickFunnels as your trigger event. Essentially, this means every time someone makes a purchase through ClickFunnels, it will kickstart the automation. ClickFunnels is a software platform known for creating sales funnels, landing pages, and marketing automations, and it's crucial to have this seamless connection with Shopify to ensure smooth order fulfillment and inventory management. Next, you'll see an option labeled Setup. Click on this to start configuring the next steps of your Zap. Don't worry if this seems complex at first. Zapier makes the process intuitive and straightforward, even if you're not tech-savvy. Now, navigate to and click on Shopify. This action signifies that Shopify is the resulting action platform in our automation. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform, and the integration you're setting up ensures that your order information moves swiftly from ClickFunnels to Shopify without manual input. You'll then get another Setup button. Click on it to enter details specific to how you want the data from ClickFunnels to be handled once it's in Shopify. For example, you can define how customer names, addresses, or product SKUs are imported, and even choose whether new customers should automatically be added to your Shopify database. Such configurations are critical in tailoring the precise execution of your automation tasks. By now, you've almost completed your Zap setup. Simply click on Account and sign in to authorize your service. And set a link to your automation service. Click Install or pass a text on your subject. It's crucial to ensure that both ClickFunnels and Shopify are properly authenticated and connected to Zapier to allow data sharing securely. Make sure you're using the correct store and funnel accounts to avoid syncing the wrong data. Once signed in, you're good to go. You've now configured a powerful Zap to automate your e-commerce workflow, ensuring every purchase on ClickFunnels gets accurately recorded and managed in Shopify. This setup can save you hours of manual data entry, reduce errors, and let you focus more on growing your business, improving marketing campaigns, and boosting conversions. You can test your Zap before activating it. Zapier provides a built-in testing option so you can confirm that data flows correctly from ClickFunnels to Shopify. Always run at least one test transaction to make sure everything is mapped and synced perfectly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the automation process clearer and more approachable for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and share it with other Shopify or ClickFunnels users who could benefit from automation tips like this.